Listen to a talk in a physiology class.
Human thermoregulation is a finely tuned physiological process that allows the body to maintain a relatively stable internal temperature despite changes in the external environment. In healthy adults, core body temperature is typically regulated around 37 degrees Celsius, though short-term fluctuations of about zero point 0.5 degrees are considered normal. This regulation is controlled primarily by the hypothalamus, which functions as the body's internal thermostat. When body temperature rises, such as during intense physical activity, the hypothalamus triggers mechanisms to promote heat loss. One key response is vasodilation, in which blood vessels near the skin expand, increasing blood flow to the surface. This allows excess heat to dissipate more efficiently. At the same time, sweat glands become active. As sweat evaporates, it removes heat from the skin. Under extreme conditions, a person can lose over 1 liter of sweat per hour, resulting in significant fluid and electrolyte loss. Conversely, when the body is exposed to cold environments, heat conservation becomes the priority. Blood vessels constrict to reduce heat loss, and involuntary muscle contractions known as shivering generate heat through increased metabolic activity. Studies suggest that shivering can raise heat production by up to 500% compared to resting levels. However, thermoregulation becomes less efficient with age. Research indicates that adults over 65 years old have a reduced ability to sense temperature changes and a delayed sweating response. This partly explains why heat-related illnesses disproportionately affect older populations during prolonged heat waves. Understanding these physiological limits is essential, particularly as global average temperatures continue to rise.
Now answer each question based on what you hear in the lecture.